following is just an overview of the spreadsheet that we've been using to collect information related to compressor projects here in Western Canada. So for the last 3 years, when we were looking at facility licenses, we've been noting if a compressor's been installed. So you can see here in the spreadsheet, we've got a column called compressor license or a compressor detail, and then that's going to have the information that summarizes the compressor details. And then in there, we talk about what the quantity is and how much power the compressor has. We've also been collecting information related to production. So we see what the gas, the oil, the condensate, the sulfur, and the water throughput is on the different compressors. And then we're very focused on location information. So these are the board districts, so we can break it down based on that. And then we've got where it's near from our GPS coordinates. And the other thing that we've added is, and you can see here all the GPS coordinates, we've got some contact information related to it. So here are people that were associated to the compressor facility permit, the facility permit with a compressor, as well as any engineering companies that may have been related to that as well. The concept behind it is to be able to come in and do some quick searches. So I could come in and I could search for a company. Let's just take a look here. So let's say Westbrook is somebody that I might be interested in. And that quick, I can quickly come in and see the locations, the Board Field Center, BioCheese, a couple new one, and then a couple of existing ones, what the throughput is, what the gas is, and then who is related to it from a contact perspective, and if they've used any engineering companies as well to help them with this particular project. And then across the spreadsheet, you can run as many filters or any way that you want. We could break it down and say, okay, well, what does Red Deer look like? The Red Deer district, which is kind of Red Deer to Rocky Mountain House. And then there's all the companies that we have in there. And then I could break it down based on whichever company I want to focus on. So it's a great source of data to help you identify installed compressors, contacts, and related engineering companies.